Deep within the suburbs of Antwerp, amidst the quiet hum of city life, lies a haven of tranquility, House Brous. Nestled on a verdant site bordering a tranquil pond, the house embodies a seamless connection with its surrounding natural landscape. Prepare to embark on a journey through this architectural masterpiece, where nature and design intertwine to create a symphony of light, space, and serenity. House Brous's design philosophy revolves around the sun's path. The house's meandering plan cleverly allows daylight to penetrate every corner, regardless of the season or time of day. This intelligent layout ensures a bright and airy atmosphere throughout the year. As we move through the house, we'll discover 3 distinct zones on the ground floor. Each zone caters to a specific need for well-being. First, a spacious living area seamlessly integrates with an open kitchen, perfect for social gatherings and shared meals. Then, a dedicated exercise area with a refreshing swimming pool and a rejuvenating sauna beckons those seeking physical and mental renewal. Finally, a music room, flooded with natural light and offering a breathtaking panoramic view of the pond, provides an inspiring space for creative pursuits. These distinct zones are not isolated entities. Instead, they are skillfully connected through a network of glazed passages. Light flows freely through these passages, creating a sense of visual and physical connection between the different spaces. The remaining areas, such as the stairs, pantry, entrance, and bedrooms, are tucked away within 4 strategically placed closed blocks. These blocks are clad in a dark larch veneer, adding a touch of contrast to the overall design. Ascend the staircase, and you'll find yourself on the first floor. Here, a luxurious master's suite awaits, offering serene views of the treetops. Adjacent to the master's suite, a library overlooks the tranquil pond through the double-height expanse of the music room below. This creates a sense of connection between the 2 floors. Venturing below the main house, we discover a hidden world of functionality. Technical spaces and discreetly placed car parks are cleverly tucked away underground. Access to this subterranean realm is provided via a sleek ramp that appears to effortlessly cut through the tranquil surface of the pond. This innovative design element adds a touch of intrigue and underlines the house's seamless integration with its surroundings.